The cosmic code of 3, Trinity's echo in physics and prophecy. The number 3 appears across science, creation, and scripture. It forms stable patterns in matter. It shapes biological systems. It structures spiritual symbolism and prophecy. This video explores why the number 3 functions as a universal design principle across the cosmos. The universal role of patterns create order. They explain how systems form, grow, and stabilize. When a pattern repeats across unrelated fields, it signals a deeper structure. The number 3 functions as one of these core repeating frameworks. The pattern of 3 in physics, atomic structure built on 3 components. Atoms rely on protons, neutrons, and electrons. Each plays a different role. Together, they form the foundation of all matter. 3 spatial dimensions define physical reality. Every object, movement, and measurement depends on this structure. Space uses 3 axes: length, width, and height. 3 forms of fundamental interaction. Many models group physical forces into 3 primary categories for simplicity: electromagnetic, strong nuclear, weak nuclear. Gravity is often treated separately, but many frameworks still analyze interactions in triple sets. Threefold symmetry in particles and waves. Physics also uses triangular symmetry, 3-particle oscillations, triple-phase cycles. These patterns improve stability. The pattern of 3 in nature and biology. 3 primary colors form visual reality. Human eyes detect 3 wavelengths of light. All visible colors arise from these 3. 3 sections of the brainstem control survival. The midbrain, pons, and medulla regulate essential functions. This structure supports respiration, heart rate, and consciousness. 3 genetic coding positions write life. DNA uses triplet codons. 3 letters form 1 instruction. 3 basic states of matter anchor physical science: solid, liquid, and gas organize the natural world. Even plasma often gets grouped around this model for simplicity. Nature favors 3 because it balances structure and flexibility. The pattern of 3 in scripture. 3 as a symbol of stability and completion. Hebrew and biblical numerology treat 3 as a confirmation value. It often marks the establishment of truth. Examples include threefold blessings, 3 patriarchs, 3-day cycles of transformation, 3 major sections of scripture. Prophetic cycles built on 3 stages. Prophetic language uses beginning, development, and fulfillment. These stages form a predictable cycle of revelation. Triadic structure in teaching and law. Many teachings use 3 steps to frame judgment, instruction, and restoration. This structure appears in sermons, poetry, and parables. The Trinity pattern across conceptual systems. The Trinity structure serves as a bridge between dual forces. It stabilizes tension. It supports equilibrium. 3 balances opposites. 2 elements stand in contrast. The third resolves or harmonizes them. This appears in physics, ethics, storytelling, social systems. The third point creates structure. Y3 creates predictable order. Systems with 2 parts oscillate. Systems with 3 parts stabilize. Why this cosmic pattern matters? The number 3 appears in places far apart in method and purpose. This makes 3 useful in both science and spirituality. Physics and prophecy do not share language, yet they share this pattern. Biology and theology do not share models, yet they use the same structure. This suggests that the number 3 is not symbolic only. It may reflect a fundamental design principle in the universe. Practical uses of the pattern of 3. 3 helps organize thought. People think best in triples: topic, reason, example. This structure improves clarity. 3 supports decision-making. Use a simple triad: what must stay, what must change, what must wait. 3 reduces overload. 3 reveals cycles in personal growth. Personal development often follows this shape: recognition, adjustment, integration. This makes the Trinity pattern practical, not theoretical. Summary. The number 3 appears in matter, biology, scripture, and prophecy. It organizes systems across disciplines. It creates stability and clarity. Its repeated presence suggests that it is a built-in pattern of creation. Understanding the cosmic code of 3 helps you study the universe with a more consistent lens.